April 14th, we've got Blizzard versus the Knocktown Knightmare. 13 minutes on the clock. Take a look. Here we go. Frankie Calvito making his presence immediately, so number 16 returning after an injury here. I believe it was a rotating out. Get into the zone cleanly. 75 gets a nice pass. Good shot pass. Oh, it's a goal. Scores Knightmare 1-0. Calvito takes the drive versus Sunstrom. Calvito gives chase. Look at him. I think he's healthy enough to go, isn't he? He's got something through. Storm is a little flat. Just enough to make the defense stand. It does. Nice angle with Howell. Howell's going to get a shot. Nice entry into the zone here. Get the shot. Go for a nice one. See what the ref says. Nope. Look at him go with that. Greenbird's got some hands on him. Hey, it squeaks through. Alright, it looks like 1-1. Blizzard tied up. Go out to Sunrise. Number 3 giving this dude a high five. I love it. Yep. Get the flight a little bit out. First period, tie score 1-1. 9:35 left. Icing. Waiting for teammates. He starts it at the net. There's a little bit more touch to play. Yeah, 1-on-4. Still makes it in with defense. Falls. the corner, a little bit of body support for them. Zone, got to break through here again. He's still there. Dumps it in, stays on the ball. Nice little outlet pass to Hare, but he just couldn't handle a little bit too hot. Lion might have gotten caught. Oh, we got another 65 King on the ice. Watch this guy, we'll see what happens. Oh, nice entry here. Calvito's going to get a quick shot. Got a little left tap just to make sure. King, what's up, buddy? Oh, nice shot. Puck's loose. Look who's hustling to the puck. King. Dinah's had to cover his zone. Oh, I think the man fell. I think the man fell. Nice interception there by Boylan. Oh, man, dives onside. Edenburn rips it. Good momentum here. Good, yeah. King keeps it inside. Nice pass deep. Oh, it's a goal! King to Telvito. Wizard take the lead. Hey, what's up, Jake? Yeah, nice pass by King to Telvito for that last goal. Here we go. Hey. Shoot. Oh, nice entry by Jake. Denied though. Flipped up high. Beautiful pass. PK Subi in pursuit. Wall man. Oh, nice play by Ziggy Betts. Just getting a nice pass on the back. Oh, it's a bullet! Beautiful goal. Holy cow. Beautiful play by Ziggy Betts over to Jake Bowling for that 3-1 lead. Jake, that was a beautiful play. Holy cow. Pass to the pass. Ooh, good defense there by Howell. Forecheck there. Stillman dumps it deep. Rolls for the icing play. Let's go back. Deflected, Stillman gets it deep. Line keeps it in, still in. Oh, goal coming way out, open net. Temporarily, we're good. Aggressive play pays off. The Wiz, and see if they can get some momentum here. Here's Bowling with the ball. Backs it. Ooh, good aggressive keep there. 31 on the far boards. Switch at center. Nice heads up play by Bowling there. Right before line change. Right. Still trying to make things happen offensively. Seaburn picks it up. Side pass. Beautiful to Lion. Stillman controls it. Elizabeth in control so far. Couple goal surge. Here we go. Here's another. And they're missing Darren Treves, their number one offensive threat. Lion says he's going to turn it back. Side play. Rips it. Forward back it wide. Ooh, Hare rips it right to PK. What's he going to do? Looks for a pass to Ballard, misses. Very nice interception by King, rips it just for me. Back to Subban. Oh, Lemus wins the battle here. Gets kind of nudged a little bit. What's on video is on video. That's good by Stillman, looking for the deflection in. Home for a back to the defense. On the play, Alexander Betts. Polima's 57 going to the box. Good, well, we have a break and play. Let's show the score. 3-1 Blizzard game so far. At the end of the first. About to begin the second period. We got a penalty. Here's number 57, Polimas. With the Blizzard. Yeah, waiting for the extra man to actually come out to the surface here. There we go, 5-on-4. Oh, wins it. Gotta get that guy. Passes it up. Boylan takes it. Gallup sneaks in the zone. Back to King, back to Bowen. Bowen playing the first play. 39 cents on kicks. Ooh, nice play. Holy shit, I don't think the goalie saw that. Another rip. King rips it out of the zone. Nice play. Oh, diving play by the goalie. Nice little angle. Here we go. Another entry into the zone. King has it. He's going for it. Howell has it all by himself. Got a late man. Couple late men. King flips it out. No! What a great kill for him this shift. Another. What was I just saying? I could go that fast, and that's King having a great penalty come here. Assumption getting a deep. Still in, yep. Gotta go over the center line. Still in, Lion, nice keep, beautiful. Nice shot. I like it. Jake Bowling has to lose. So he can get a shot, or is he too deep? I think he's too deep. He's looking for a pass. Here we are after the races again. These guys don't stop. Back and forth. That's the Bowling. A little bit hot. Let's adjust on the angle here. Takes it clean, nice pass to 31. Backhand shot. Gobbled up by the goalie. Nice save. What's up, Big Al? You're too nice. Has plenty of time to blast it. Again, King's wide open. Oh, he beats him. Kelly does. Betts drops it back to King. Hatter takes it, passes it to high slot. Betts finds it, gives it back to Hatter. Hatter in right in front of the net. Good look. Nice pass there by Hatter over to King. Blast it. Souls. Subban gets it. Ziggy finds it. Blast it. High slot. Pass by Subban. Nice. Finds him in here. Pretty line. Quick dude. Crazy athlete. Finds. Thought he found him. Broken up by King. Flips it up high. Way too high. Picked the wrong angle on that one, King. Game 1, period 2. 3-1 score, Blizzard. Yeah, we got a pretty low ceiling here at Ellenberger Park. That does kind of play into effect there. That's what the game's trying to do. Just trying to give a big old jump pass. But the accuracy. Subban takes it. Still in lane to Polinas. Takes it. Met with resistance. Still in there. Still wax at it. Polinas gets it out. And Polinas. Decker's still playing the late man. Working up. Working up. That's a late man. Oh, he gets it rolling. Still only has him. Really making a move for that one. Comes out of it. Gets to the Decker. Decker over the Hell. Howell gets a shot. Right. That's nice play there. Good pass back there. King dumps it, goes off. Polinas still has it in the corner. Flicked it there by Decker. Still in the zone though. Nice play by Whitehouse. Keeping in the zone. Blasted. Oh, second chance. Still saved. Polinas, he can rip it and that passes by. Wow, nice play there. Taking it back in Gretzky's office, as they used to say, back behind the net. Has it in front, quick shot, still saved. A couple saves by the Knightmare goaltender. Got a stoppage here. Takes a shot, takes a short pass. Ooh, flicks it out of the zone, calling no icing.
Let's go, work.
King has it, blasts it wide. Pass to nobody. Out of the zone. Rudy Lyons on freeze. He's met with. Around the other way. Ooh, Frankie Talvito gets stripped there by PK Subban. Deflected. Referee calls it deflected. .76 PK Subban called for roughing on Frank Talvito. .76 got the roughing call. Was a visible body check. So referee Alexander Betts really wanted to make a statement here. No checking. Let's Looks like additional protests. I'm gonna keep the camera here just for. Okay. Puck out in the zone here. Missed by Hatter. Hatter funnels in front. Nope. That's it. King has it at the point. King passes his D partner. Zach Betts. Betts to Hare. Misses. Hare grabs it. Torpedo back to Betts. Still a power play situation going on. Not too many shots. One by Hare. Assumption has it. Oh, waiting to get onside. Assumption really killing the penalty, probably. Yeah, it's taking sweet time playing around with boys, really line. Ooh, King has some speed. What's he going to do with it? Looking for a short-handed chance. Or a power play chance, sorry. I don't even know how many people are in there. I feel like short-handed chance. Oh! Howell's still here. So essentially, they're dangerous offensive threats. King rips it. Line gets chased. Icing call waved off. Grabs it. Has it. Drops the Boylan. Boylan.
Hey!
Confort claps it. Puts it up. Deflection puts it up wide out of play. Pass of the bowling. Pass of the Columbus just misses its mark. Subban comes back in. Still held in. Play by Stoughton in the keep. Alright. Blazers into the second. 3-1. Blizzards still up 3-1. King back to the locker room. Having a little refresh. All right, beginning of the third period, Blizzard up 3-1. Face up one by the Blues. They come out with it. Calvito pulling it right over the line. Good that has it, pulls up, looking for a man. If he can shoot it. Misses the man in front of it. Pass it wide, still in. Rips it. Nope. Nice pass. Wide shot by Telvito. Stillman gathers it up, looks for a man. Pass in front. Ooh, nice pass. Batted away by the D. It's looking like a power play here.
Nothing.
Still in the zone. Nowakowski dumps it deep. Subban comes out with it. Flipped up out of play. Subban flips it up out of play. That was quick. Nowakowski gives chase. Over by Torres. Pass behind the net. Stillman rips it to Hare. Hare deflects it. Good call. He tipped it before the red line. Good call. Excellent call by referee Alexander Betts. Refereeing's a hard job, guys. All these split decisions you have to make on the fly immediately and be correct 100% of the time. Line comes out with it, keeps it in. Cooper McCarthy. Oh, wide open net. Blizzard had possession though. Nice flip up idea there by Betts. Kelly passes it right wide over to Cooper McCarthy. Pass down there, Allen. Sunstrom intercepts. Still has it deep in the zone. Rudy Lyon keeping it deep. Yeah, no relevant shots on that yet. Hare gets it out. Beautiful pass over to Zach Betts. Yeah, unable to get over that leg pad. Nice body placement there with that leg pad. Oh, hits Edenberg and he gets it back. He's getting out, hits a point in just before the line. Nice key by Nowakowski. Rips it deep. King has it. Shot. Attempted rip, hits the roof. Jordan showing off his new Pirate jersey here on the bench. One by the Blues. Got right over the line. Boylan has it. Shot. Held in by King. King takes the deep. Shot wide, dumped in wide. Oh, nice little spin move there by Lyon. Ooh, King has it. Lost it. Polinas. Comes out with it. Torres with the body bump. And Team battle with the shot. King looking to maintain control. He finds it on the sideboards. Dumps it into the corner. Comes by Subban. Subban rips it way out of the zone hard. Face off down here. Shot. No. Saved. Goal line call. Yeah. No goal. Ooh, shot by Stillman. Save. Going, pass right in front. Safe. Up to the scoreboard, 4:20 left. In the third. Still 3-1 Blizz lead. Quick shot again by Stillman off the ball. 87, up and out. Let's get the shot deflected. Nice D there by the Knightmare. Taking their net. Really so well though. That's just calling for the face off right here. Nice pass back to Bats. Cut in front by Kelly. Gets it out. Ooh, Kane misses it. Goes over the line. Back into the zone. Claps it. On net. Goes down here due to the icing call. Looks like Kelly getting that one loose. Just over 2 minutes left in game one. Sunstrom rips it, save. Howell shoots it, save. Boylan has it behind the net, looking for a pass. Polinas looks like he's kind of covered. Boylan takes it himself. Got plenty of ice in front of him. Ooh, he did to Sunstrom. What about Kelly? And this is zone cleanly. He passes it over to Edenburn. Balls are right in front of the net. No recipient. Ooh, nice bit of ice still in there. Still catches it. Still in the zone. About 50 seconds left to play here. Still held in. Ballard whacks it. Davis has it again. Howell finally gets it out of his mouth. Clears it. Ballard takes it in. Rips it wide. Howell has the rebound. Rips it wide. Ballard has it. Has the Lion shoots. Finds it, looking for a high slot, finds it. Subban up there, has the late man. Hey, finds the back of the net. Ballard with the goal. Subban to Ballard. We have a timeout called by the Knightmare. That brings the score 3-2. 13 seconds left. They all of a sudden made it a game. "13 seconds left in regulation." Signals the return to play. Ricky Calvita took the drop against Rudy Lyon. "13 seconds only left to play." Let's see what they can make happen here.
13 seconds.
Empty net. Subban has it. Looking for pass recipient. Bowling with the interception. Ballard has it. King rips it. That's the end of the game. 3-2 Blizzard win. Alright, now Whitaker's signing off.